I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and placing the clip on the timeline. Make sure the segment you want blurred is isolated. Once done, trim and split around the action so the blur applies only where needed. Open Effects and search for motion or blur categories to surface built-in options. This first step reduces processing time and prevents accidental global blur, and it sets you up to apply targeted motion blur without altering unaffected clips. With the clip selected, drag a motion blur effect onto the layer and immediately inspect its controls. Increase intensity to taste, set direction to match movement, and tweak shutter or samples to balance smoothness versus sharpness. Use keyframes on intensity to ramp blur in and out around fast moves. That prevents static scenes from looking smeared. Make sure to preview at playback speed because visual perception of blur differs from frame-by-frame scrubbing. Finish by scrubbing and playing the clip at normal speed. Render the segment if playback is choppy so you see the final effect. Export with hardware acceleration turned on to speed up encoding. If you notice ghosting or banding, reduce samples or slightly lower intensity and repreview. Alternatively, try a different blur preset or apply blur on a duplicate layer with mask subject. These steps resolve most artifacts and give you a polished motion blur result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.